Hey guys, this is Marcel with GL, and I have some news today.
Did you see the memo about this?
If you're in Georgia preparing for your state board testing, there's going to be some changes starting August 11, 2025. Georgia is going PSI National, which means there is new regulation. There's a whole new candidate information bulletin for every discipline, including cosmetology, barbering, aesthetics, you name it, all of them. I'm not going to go over all the details. You can do that on your own, but we will be updating all of our Georgia State Board kits on August 11 to reflect these changes. Just to name a few, for example, in cosmetology, we're going to be losing some tasks. Thermal curling, for example, will be gone. The predisposition test will be gone. And Georgia will be adding basic manicure that wasn't there before. Eyebrow waxing and tweezing will be added that wasn't there before. Rest assured, we're going to be updating all of our kits, and those will be available for purchase starting August 11, 2025. Keep watching till the end. We're going to go over the procedure to find the new bulletins. That's going to help you hopefully get all of the docs up to date.
First, you're going to want to go to test-takers.psiexams.com, and that link will also be in the description of this video so you can get to it quickly. Then click on Filter By, choose Barbering Cosmetology, scroll down to Georgia, click on the link arrow next to Georgia State Board of Cosmetology and Barbers, scroll down and there will be a link to all new bulletins for August 11th, 2025. So after that date, this is how you will get to them. Click on View Available Tests on the top of the page. Select your test, so for example, Georgia Master Cosmetology, and then just click the download link for the candidate bulletin, which is going to be above the fee area on the right here. And that's it.
With that, we're going to end it there. If you have any questions, send them in the comments. We'll be happy to help you guys. Again, thank you for watching. We'll see you soon.